Dual dash cam front and inside, 4K front camera plus 1080p inside camera, 4K pixels is more than 4 times 1080p, can easily capture the license plate and road signs, and protect you from potential accidents and liability issues. The inside camera records the interior of the car in real time, ideal for cab drivers, Uber drivers, and online taxi drivers. 3-way dash cam, 2K front camera plus 1080p inside camera plus 1080p rear camera. It can record the front 170 degrees field of vision, the internal 120 degrees field of vision, and the rear 140 degrees field of vision, providing you with comprehensive monitoring to protect you from potential accidents, responsibility problems and passenger disturbances. Of course, this is also the best choice to record the scenery of road trip. Loop recording and G sensor. In the circular recording mode, you can continue to record new videos even if the micro SD card, support 256 grams max and not in package, is full, and it will automatically overwrite the oldest videos, without worrying about insufficient memory variable sensitivity. G sensor automatically detects sudden vibration, and lock the video to the event folder after the collision. This file will not be overwritten by the new video file, preserving sufficient evidence for you. Supercapacitor. This camera is powered by a supercapacitor built to survive extreme weather conditions from -6 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for extreme hot weather or cold weather areas. The supercapacitor also extends the lifespan of the batteries further than lithium-ion batteries. Wdr and Night Vision. The dash cam adopted 6 full HD glass lenses, an f1.8 large aperture lens, 4 rear lights, and Wdr technology. Particularly bright and particularly dark parts can be seen very clearly at the same time, delivering razor-sharp nighttime clarity. Parking monitoring mode and motion detect. Monitor your car for 24 hours with a continuous power supply. Motion detection automatically records once it detects movements. If you want to use the parking monitor, must use a hardware kit to power the 3-channel dash camera. The parking monitor will work just by connecting to the ACC interface. Not include the package, search ASIN, B0B74F4PQT. Easy to install. The included suction mount could let the front camera be easily attached anywhere on your windshield in seconds. And then just connect the power cord to the camera, and then route it along the car interior trim panel. Find the best position to fix the rear camera on the rear window and connect it to the front camera. 2-year warranty. This camera comes with an extendable 24-month warranty, customer support through email within 24 hours, and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. Highly recommended for safety. After my first accident, not knowing whose fault it was definitely stressful. But with this you can review and watch what happened. All you need is a memory card and set it up. Due to heat I needed more sticky to hold the cables up, but definitely love it.